What the heck? Where is our spaceship? What are we supposed to do with no shelter, food or protection? I know, why did David leave us? If only you had been doing what I asked you to watch him, but you never do anything right. He is not a child who needs a caretaker all day long. Maybe if you didn't give him the keys we wouldn't be in this situation. My job is not to babysit. Then what is your job? All you have done is eat up all our food, and watched me do all of the alien hunting. You could do something for a change. I do a lot around here. I fly the ship and make sure we at the right coordinates. I think maybe we should stop arguing, it won't solve anything. We have to work together to get ourselves out of this situation, just like we used to in the past. You're completely right. Arguing is going to distance us more from each other. We have been able to solve most situations, so this shouldn't be a problem. It's a little dangerous out here though. Good thing I still have my space gun and laser beams to protect us. Do you have anything to help us get to the emergency spaceship? Yes, I do. I just calculated the coordinates and it's about 3 miles north of here. With your protection and my directions, there no longer is a problem. Yeah. See, when we work together we can solve any conflict that arises. I do think that we should leave before it gets too dark to see though. You're totally right, we can solve any problem that comes our way. I also agree that we should leave soon before it gets dark. Sounds good, time to go.